魔法公主西西。
Safe arrival! Hi, 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 mountains! What fun invention is Chuchu making? Let's go take a look.
Wow!
Chubu chubu choo-choo! Magic fuse! Tasty food microphone finished! Your hair! Are you okay, Chuchu? I'm fine. Look at my new invention. Sing food names and food will appear. Watch me. Cool, cool, icy tea. Isn't it amazing? Wow, that's awesome! Let me try it first. Dafu, stop that! Wow, it works for cat meows too. I have to write this down. Bah. Huh? So soft. It's Sunny. Thank you so much, Sunny. Dafu, you are such a greedy kitty. I'm hungry. I want pudding, Choo-Choo. Sure. Sing whatever you want to eat. Party time! I want strawberry pudding ice cream. Pizza, cake, apple pie. I'm full. Wow. I want more. Pudding. Pudding. Thursday, why are you here? Give the microphone back to me. Oh, you mean you've always dreamed of tasting the legendary giant deep-sea fish king? No, that thing is... Wow, wow, wow! Shift magic! Pew, pew, pew!